Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted, but here we are. Hello. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing unboxing. I'm gonna be unboxing my new controller. It's just the official Xbox controller plus USB-C cable. Okay, and this is how the side looks like. Just pause it if you need to. Okay, and here's the back. And then the other side. Woo, this hair needs to come down, 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 down. My hair looks curly right now, but it's really not curly. It's actually really straight. It only looks curly because I had it in a bun all day today, in a mom bun. Yeah. Anyways, I'm really excited to open this just because I needed a new one and I just bought a regular one. I think I should get a different kind next time, and I know which one I might get. So I was gonna do the unboxing in my living room, but my living room is not available right now. So we're doing it in my kitchen. Just ignore all the mess in the back. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with this hair? Why is it always coming up? Jeez. Okay. So, just a cardboard on top. Will you marry me? Oh my gosh. Thank you. Of course I will. Thank you. And this is how it looks like. Just a good old classic black controller. The buttons are so crisp, just brand new, you know. The one I'm using right now, it's worn out. That's why I need a new one. So I definitely needed a new one, and this one was $74.99 on sale, I believe. I think it was on sale. No, it wasn't on sale. It wasn't on sale. There was one on sale and it was just wireless, and it didn't come with the USB cable, and that one was on sale, and this one was regular price. And I'm like, wait, this one's actually better because it does come with the USB-C cable. So keep digging. There's a little hole right here. Just gonna remove it. And then there's the wire right here, or the cable I should call it. And the person that was selling me this said it was 9 feet. 9 feet, he said. Yeah, he said 9 feet. So apparently this is 9 feet, which is perfect. I will be definitely using the wire because I prefer wired controllers over wireless, just to get that extra control, you know, to get that extra, that little boost, you know. So there's absolutely no lag. So that's the wire. And then when you keep looking in here, there's just some paperwork, I guess, you know, the manual, the warranty, and then the Game Pass Ultimate code stuff here, and that's it. I got it from the source, and I did buy the the warranty protection plan with it. So it's covered for 2 years. And it was an extra $18, so I paid an extra $18. Hang on, let me get my receipt. I got the extended protection plan. $18 for 2 years, so I'm covered for 2 years. So if anything happens to the controller, I can just return it. It's protected. I don't have to worry about it or stress out about it for 2 years. I'm covered. I gotta go now. Yeah, I gotta go now. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I know I wasn't the best. I'm not an expert here. Trust me, I'm not an expert at all. I'm gonna be opening it anyways, so I thought I'd just open it on camera so you guys can see it as well, because why not, you know, why not? But anyways, if you guys enjoyed today's unboxing, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Also click my notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.